Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner should know about: car battery problems. We'll discuss the common issues you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. Let's jump right in. Symptoms of battery problems: engine won't start. Trying to start the car. If you turn the key and hear a clicking sound but the engine doesn't start, your battery could be dead. Dim or flickering lights, headlights and dashboard lights. If your headlights are dim or flickering, it's a sign that your battery may not be supplying enough power. Electrical issues, radio or power windows not working. Problems with electrical components, like your radio or power windows, can indicate battery trouble. Check engine light, dashboard with check engine light on. A lit check engine light can sometimes point to battery issues, so don't ignore it. Common causes of battery problems: age of the battery. Most car batteries last about 3 to 5 years. If yours is older, it might be time for a replacement. Corroded battery terminals. Corrosion on battery terminals can impede power flow. Regular cleaning can help prevent this. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold weather can affect battery performance. Make sure to check your battery during extreme weather conditions. Parasitic drain. Leaving lights on or having faulty electrical components can drain your battery over time. Troubleshooting and solutions. Jumpstart the battery. If your battery is dead, try jumpstarting it with jumper cables. Make sure to follow the correct procedure. Inspect for corrosion. Check the battery terminals for corrosion. If you see any, clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water. Test the battery, using a multimeter. Use a multimeter to test the voltage. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. Visit a mechanic. If you're still having issues, it might be best to take your car to a mechanic for a professional diagnosis. And that's a wrap on common car battery problems. Regular maintenance can save you from unexpected issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. What battery problems have you faced? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.